Question 12, which equation could represent the graphed cubic function? So since it's a cubic function, that means it must have 3 total zeros, or 3 total solutions. And we can see it crosses the x-axis once here, and then it bounces off the x-axis once there. Where it crosses the x-axis at is x equals +1. So x equals +1 is one answer. And then this is a multiplicity of 2 since it bounces there. So the other solution is x equals -2, but that is multiplicity 2, or sometimes called a double root. So since these are the solutions, the roots are essentially going to have the opposite sign. So if x equals 1 is a solution, that means the root has to be x minus 1. And you'll notice 3 of the answer choices have x minus 1 as an option. So recall to get that answer, if you set x minus 1 equal to 0 and add 1 to both sides, you end up getting x equals +1. So you've got to think backwards when you do this problem. So x minus 1 is one factor. The other factor, if x equals -2 is a solution, that means the factor is x plus 2, but it's quantity squared since that was a double root. So we're going to look at our answer choices, and we can see the answer. They've written it, and they flipped it. They put the x plus 2 quantity squared first. That is fine. Both are correct. The x minus 1 they wrote second. So they just flip those two factors, which both ways are correct.